Guys, this is Kyle here. What are these? Okay, so these markings I think are just things, but let's just keep going. Wait, look. That might be an alligator. Okay. Oh, there's another note. Well, you might have not seen where. Mom, these are kind of poison, I think. Mom, what are these called?
It says coral greenbrier.
That is cool. Cool. Oh, 2 sand spots. We can eat here, right? Wait, there's a pump spotted up. Look. Mom, which way do we need to go?
Well, we're not going to go up into the woods right
I
now.
want to go.
There might be bears.
Bears. We'll explore there later. And we going off. Okay. And you see any wildlife? Do you hear that? That's the sound of a bug.
I have a bug.
There's a new piece of wood, I think.
A new piece of wood.
This is kind of like a pretty area.
Yeah, so I went on this nature trail when I was a little girl.
Yeah.
And then I went on it when I was in college. And now, like 20 years later, I'm taking my son on this trail.
What does this say?
It says champion.
Okay.
So hopefully we are coming up to the pond up here.
Mom. Look. There's this. Another note, guys.
Swamp Bay.
Swamp Bay. This is the Swamp Bay. Okay. But there might be something around here. Oh, there's a puppy dog.
Oh, cool.
Okay.
Okay, let's move over to the side so they can get by.
Okay.
All right.
Okay, guys.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, no.
How y'all doing?
Good.
Good. Okay, so yeah. Moving on. So, what is this?
I don't know what that is.
Poe. I think it says pop or Poe. Oh, there's another marking. Joe. Pojo. Pojo 575. Pojo 575. There's a plank. And any Preston Place or YouTubers are coming to watch this. Oh, spider web. Okay, and whoa, look at that. Guys, look at that.
Look at that tree. It fell down probably during a storm.
Yeah, maybe it's like being struck. Whoa, look at this.
Look at that crooked tree.
Oh, guys, do you think what I see?
Another note.
Mom, this is one of my favorite plants.
It's a chain fern.
That's right there. Look.
I don't know if... Oh, I see. Yeah.
Mom.
Chain fern.
Oh, I see another sand spot. So we found a lot of notes. Okay, so... Oh, there's another chamfer, guys. I think that's another one. And another one. So many chamfer we saw.
Okay, I think we're getting close to the big pond.
Another thing. That. Oh.
And the big bridge.
Look at that, guys.
Oh.
Come on. guys. This will be amazing. Knocked over a tree. Like earlier, we saw another pathway that we didn't need gone, but Mommy said this is. Oh, no, stop. Whoa!
Look at this tree in the middle of the pathway.
Cool. I hear a cop car. How can I hear that from all far away?
Because we're kind of close to the highway a little bit.
Oh yeah, guys, do you hear Mommy? Wait, what?
Oh, Kyle, we're getting close. We're getting close.
Look,
What?
there's another note.
Atlantic white cedar.
Okay, let's just keep moving. This must be it. I don't want it. Well, we're getting close to water. I think time. Whoa, look at that. It's kind of like Little Mermaid. And any YouTuber, so we kind of like go on, like, and subscribes, but, yeah. Look, it's kind of like your favorite movie. I don't know. Oh, feel this. It's smooth.
Yeah, this is kind of a better boardwalk. A lot of this boardwalk is really rickety. Oh, look.
Whoa,
We're getting close to the big bridge.
Look, it's kind of like the Little Mermaid. I could be like a.
All right, we're fixing to come up to the big bridge, I
Yay!
think.
Wait, there's
And
another
maybe
big
we'll see some
spot.
turtles.
Yay! Guys, if you think. No. What are those?
Black TT.
Is that the black TTs?
I don't know.
Oh, it's not that.
They all these plants look the same to me, so I don't know.
I know.
Okay. I want to hurry up and find some turtles. So.
If we find turtles. What?
Oh, cool.
Look!
Oh, they have a platform now.
I wish I had a
See?
platform. Let's just keep going, guys, okay?
Okay,
We have a platform.
Kyle, a long time ago, I had a turtle named Tucker Jane.
Tucker J?
Yep. And we released her in here.
Oh, Mom.
So maybe
look.
we'll see her.
Mom, look. There's, like, something. Okay. Come on.
Wait, let's see if we see some turtles.
Mommy's favorite turtle. Are you here? Looks like not. Let's just keep going on the preacher trail, okay?
Well, this is the end of the trail, actually.
It's kind of like, whoa, a fox? A fox? A fox. It must be a
It's
mist.
for a scavenger hunt. They must have a scavenger hunt here for something.
There must be having a scavenger hunt. Okay, let's keep going.
All right, we're almost to the end, buddy, I think.
Guys, let's keep going. Wait a second, guys. A butterfly? I don't know if there's a butterfly in here.
All right, yep. We're getting to the end, which is really the beginning because we started
Mom,
at the
look.
end.
Look.
A cinnamon fern.
Cinnamon fern, that's cool. Can we eat those?
I don't think so.
Oh, we can? Is this
We
the-
are at the end.
Is this the beginning?
This is the beginning, the actual beginning of the trail, which we did it backwards. So,
Oh, Mom, look.
water oak.
This is all.
All right.
This was all.
So, University of West Florida, Edward Ball Trail.
Can we see the?
Kyle, you gotta say goodbye.
Oh, by the way, guys, keep going.
What?
Keep going. We need to show you something that I also found. So, did we do it backwards?
We did do it backwards.
Okay.
Because that's how I always did it when I was in college.
Wait, we turned around? Wait, tires. Oh, guys. Come on.
Kyle, this video is really long.
Come on, guys. Let me show you something. It's something cool. But close your eyes for this. Okay? Keep it shut. When I say open your eyes, that means open your eyes. So keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed too. Okay, you might have found our place. But this is the canoe shack. This is the canoe shack. Yeah. You might have found it. Ah! Okay. Whoa, there's another creature trail.
Don't touch these canoes, okay?
Okay, there. Now,
This is the platform we saw them standing on.
well, let's keep going, okay?
Now, this is new. This was not here when I was in college. So,
It says warning. What's
read it. Read it for me.
warning? No saving?
No swimming,
Okay, that's
no fishing, no feeding, or touching the alligator.
touching the alligator.
Yeah.
Wait, do they have an alligator zoo?
Wow, when I was little, they told us there was a 3-legged alligator in this little swamp. So, don't get down there. I don't want you falling in.
What is this?
I don't know. But don't get down there. Kyle,
Okay, it's safe to go.
are you sure? I don't want you getting near the water, though, because I don't want to have to jump in after you, okay?
Guys.
It's a beautiful day. All right, Kyle, you really have to say goodbye because this video is way too long. Say goodbye. Come here.
Goodbye. Wait, there's a note.
Another note.
What does that say, guys?
We gratefully acknowledge the contribution made towards the installation and completion of this kayak launch donated by Anonymous Friends of UWF 2021. All right.
So
Say see you later.
see you later and wear your Notre Dame or Argonaut shorts. Goodbye.